Kumusta mga katropa? Ngayon pala ay babalik tayo sa NBA. Sa NBA 2K20 may career edition. Ayun ay, maglalaro ba tayo o not? Siyempre maglaro na tayo, men. Maglaro na tayo! Nanonood kasi ako, men. Kaya patay ko muna yan. Maganda-ganda din yung ano nila, oh. Los Angeles Clippers versus Dallas Mavericks. Let's go now. Let's fight them and win this game. Sana maka-playoffs kami. Kasi second place kami sa Western Conference. Ito na. Yan ako ba yung wow! Nasok ang ulo. Nasok yung ulo, men. Maglalaro tayo. Ayun ako. Ito si Casey. Let's go. Ay, nandito pa si Paul George. Tapos yan ang Kawhi Leonard. Patay tayo. Mahirapan tayo neto. Pero kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. Kaya to. Ay, saan na pa yung bola? Tanggot kasi ng center nila yun. Puti, ang kalbo. Ang kalbo pa nga. Ayun na, si George. Titira, pasok ba? Hindi pasok. Pinasa sa out of bounds. Sorry po. Sorry. Nabawi ako, man. I gotta steal this. I give me the ball, man. Bro. She did want it to give me the ball. Wait, open. Rebound. Bro, what the? Give me the ball. Kala ko pa na-injured pa yun eh. Let's go. Ooh, what a layup, man. Is that good? God, maganda tong laban na to. Sobrang ganda. Parang finals. Grabe. Magre-retire na pala si LeBron. Kaya mo ba mag-score? O, diba? Natakot siya sa akin. Diba? Galing ko, no? Galing ko talaga mag-defense. Kala nyo, ah. Dito daw tayo dito. Ayan. Yeah! No, bro! Ay, foul pala. Nasa plate daw line tayo, men. The win! We're taking the lead now, men. Win na. Bro, why I miss that? What the? See the ball to get a dunk. Still. What a pass! Whoa, what a dunk, man. Uy, nag-English. Siyempre, Amerikano itong player natin. Wow, what the? Ang breaker yan, man. Tumanin ka pa. Assist. What the? They taking the lead. Do not shoot. Please miss. Hindi kanya miss. Ow, sakit. Hindi kayo makakaspon, men. Sa akin na, boss. Ako lang naman ang scorer nila. Kasi ako ang NBA All-Star. Full famous ako eh. Diba? Galing ko lang. Grabe, men. Ang lakas ang roster nila. Nandyan kasi si Paul George. Natalo namin sila. Ayaw. What? bro, they taking the lead. Bro, no, please, no. No, please, no. No, please, no. No, miss, please, miss. Miss. What the? They taking the lead and let's fight. Good. They are taking the lead. 100% 3-pointer. 8 points. Yeah. Kumanta pa nga. Ito na. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. Go. I just need 2 points to tie the game. Let's go. Tie the game. What the? Oh no, bro. No. Pagkatapos ng first quarter, lamang kaagad sila. Hindi pwede yun. What the? Bigyan mo ko ng assist. Okay, bete. Bro. Hindi na pa yung bola ko. You can't score at me, bro. Yeah, Sigma. They call the time out because I'm unstoppable. That's nothing. Oh my God, what the hell? Ang haba ng first quarter, man. Kaya, pagkatapos ng first quarter, skip ko lang muna to kasi medyo mahaba. Baka kasi matagalan kayo. Kaya, kita-kits na lang. Bye. So guys, I'm back and they taking the lead. What the hell? No, what the hell? Why I missed that? No. I just need a steal. Do that spot, please. Score. Yes, foul. Yes, foul. Set up dito. Good. Keep that. God, let's go. Nice, man. Nice. Super nice. Oh my God. Double team. Wow. Okay. Everybody just go. Do not let him score. Block. Nice. Foul yun, man. Foul yun. Alam ko, man. Double tip pa kayo, ah. Okay. Please make. Yes. 2 points lead. Okay. 1 minute left. And just take the lead. Before second quarter. Wow. Still. No, what the? Ay, laki ng space niya. Sana, dito na lang dumalo. Sayang na. Hindi ako mag-release na. What the... No, bro, no! Nah, bro. Yo! No, please. No. No, please, no. Do not shoot, please.
This is off the right side of the rim. The Mavericks trailing. 2 seconds separating the shot clock again.
Nice.
16 points for him. It is so hard to contain. It just seems to get it done. However,
What the... Dunk? I did dunk, bro.
he's swinging.
This is the dunk! Wah! Whoa! What a dunk! That's partial dunk, I think. Or not? Partial dunk? Slam dunk. Yo! First quarter is now finished. And the video is so long. It's too long, bro. Now, I don't know what to do. To get a part 2 or not. Let's get a part 2. So, goodbye. And before I say goodbye, please subscribe and like this video. Bye guys. Bye-bye.